Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this chicken in cream sauce today. It's really delicious. Okay, we're going to get started. In a pan, I've got some oil. You can use any oil that you like. I've got here 8 chicken thighs. The bone is in, the skin is on. Total weight is about 900 grams. What we're going to do on this kind of medium heat is we're going to just season this now with salt and pepper. We're going to cook this in total for about 10 to 12 minutes. I'm going to be flipping it quite a bit. Once I flip it for the first time, I'm also going to season the other side again with salt and pepper. Now that the chicken is cooked, what we're going to do is we're going to remove it. So set that aside, but keep this oil here because you've got some absolutely delicious, wonderful flavors in it. We're going to put in there a few cloves. I've got like 4 cloves of garlic that I've sliced. Chop it if you want. In we go. We're still on a medium heat. Also going to add about a cup of onion, and we're going to cook that for about 4 to 5 minutes. Stir often. Okay, brilliant. So what we're going to do now is add about 1 cup of tomato, fresh tomato. That goes in. This is about 5 or 6 minutes now. We really want those tomatoes to break down and become a little bit mushy. So now what we're going to do once the tomatoes and the onions have cooked down like this is we're going to add a little bit more seasoning of salt and pepper, and I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, or oregano as some of you call that. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add some cream. I've got 250 ml of cream here. Now I'm using a thick cream. I get lots of questions about this. You can use thick or thin. It will make no difference. Once the heat hits it, it's going to kind of thin out. And to that, I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of Parmesan cheese grated, and, maybe a tablespoon of cream cheese, like a kind of Philadelphia type. We're going to stir this for about 3 more minutes, again on this medium heat. So as you can see, the sauce is looking beautifully smooth, creamy and cheesy and delicious. We're now going to add back in the chicken. Just place that all in. We're going to put a lid on that. Medium heat, 3 to 4 minutes. We're ready to serve. This is absolutely wonderful. So you can have this with some potatoes, with some bread, or of course with some pasta. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.